Christine here with another cute, quick and simple card I made using my Cricut. I have to do the last of the 4 invitations for my children's Halloween party. It was supposed to be a very small, quick affair, and right now I have 6 boys coming for 2 hours and 6 to 8 girls, 10-year-olds, wow, for 3 hours after the first set leave. But I'm also very excited. I started decorating and I have some really cute games for them to play, and I found on the internet some really cute recipes, so I'm excited about that. I might take some pictures or even a video and maybe I'll post it. Anyways, this is one of the cute invitations that I made, and it's actually not quite cute. It's kind of on the scary side, but my daughter thinks it's cute because it says Spooktacular, and very simple to make and very quick. So let's get started. Now, I don't have any more of the ghost paper, which I think is extremely cute. It comes from Recollections pack this year, which I got at Michael's. And it's only the small papers, so I used all that up. So I'm going to demonstrate with another really cute paper. This one has little skulls and bones, and I think it's just as cute. So basically I started with a black cardstock and 8.5 by 11. Cut at 5.5 inches and then fold it in half to get a standard A2 size card. Then I'm going to take this background paper, which is cut at 4 inches by 5.25, and before I mount that down, I'm actually going to take a little bit of black ribbon. I'm going to move the card out of the way for a second. All I'm going to do is take my ATG gun and just put a little bit of adhesive on the ribbon, and I'm just going to put that right in the middle of the card, just like so. It was a little long, but that's okay. Alright, so put the card back in place. Then I'm just going to take my ATG gun again and put it straight down on the black cardstock. Because these were invitations and I used black cardstock, I took a white jelly roll pen and I used it like a chalkboard. So I used my handwriting, and all I did is said, "You're invited, here's my address, please RSP." And I think it looked really cute. So I like how I didn't have to put a liner in it or anything. Alright, so after that I took another black piece, and this, I believe I wrote on what it is. It is 2.5 by 3.5, and then the top piece is a 1/4 inch shorter than that, so it's 2.25 by 3.25, and I'm just going to glue those two together. And I think I just moved the camera. I hope it's not out of range too much, and I think it is, so I'm just going to raise my card up a little bit here, and I think I'm going to put it this way. So all I'm going to do is take a few pop dots, foam tapes, whatever you need to just raise it up, and take the backing off, and do that really quickly. Okay, and that just goes on the left hand side of the paper, just like so. Now I took a stamp that I bought at Joann's. It's called Spooktacular, and I think it's absolutely adorable. So I just stamped it, I cut it out, raised it on the black again, and I doodled all the way around this. I'm actually going to doodle all the way around all of the black, but I just started with this one. Okay, because then on this side is going to be a black border again, and I used white instead of the green background. I used white in this particular case. Now, I didn't like the solid white, so all I did was raise this, I ran this square through my Cuttlebug using Swiss dots. And the measurement on the square on the black cardstock is 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and then the smaller white one is a 1/4 inch smaller. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I'm going to move the card out of the way for a second, and then I went to my Cricut. I didn't use it much on this card, but the image, I think, it is the focal point of the card, and all I needed was the pumpkin. This pumpkin is cut out from the Cricut cartridge October 31st. Now, I don't have October 31st, but I have the Ultimate Creative Series sampler, and on bonus 5, where did that go? On bonus 5, I have a whole bunch of images, and this one is it, and it's from October 31st, and I cut it out at 3 inches. And I'm so glad that I picked up that cartridge, because it has a lot of the Cricut cartridges I don't have, and I wouldn't have purchased just for single images because I wasn't interested in the rest of the cartridges, but at least this gives me samplers of Cricut cartridges I don't own, and I can still play with my Cricut. So all I'm going to do is take some two-way glue and put the image straight down in the center. Now, I started doodling all the way around it, and I thought it looked really, really cute. So I'm going to put the card back. I think I'm in, and all I'm going to do, so I'm going to flip it over, and all I'm going to do is mount this side of the foam tape, because the other side is going to cover partially of what I've done so far, and it doesn't need any additional foam tape. So I'm just going to put that right in the center of the image that I put on before, just like so. And that is all there is to this card, very simple. And all I'm going to do after that is doodle all the way around all of the black images that I cut out with cardstock. It just gives an extra added little small touch, so it doesn't look so bland or so simple. I'm not going to show you all of it, but that's all I kept doing. Probably do the rest off camera as soon as I'm done. But I just wanted to show you one last thing. Let me just finish this one off. And so I went all the way around the edge here, and then I did the edge of this one as well. So the other card, which I'm going to bring back, which I actually love with the green and the white, I'm so sad that I ran out of the paper, I just added some purple gems. In this particular case, I am just going to add some red ones. And very simple to make an invitation. You could use it not just for an invitation, you can use it for any other Halloween activity. And that is, oops, all there is to it. You know, believe it or not, I own tweezers. I should start using them more. Anyways, and that's pretty much it. Very fast, very simple, cute invitation. So I might demonstrate one more of my Halloween cards, and I do have a video coming up because I was asked to do a little treat or goodie bag or box, and in my particular case it's going to be a very small little 3-inch bag. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.